Heidi Hayes, Instructional Consultant at Wexford Missaukee ISD and West Shore ESD. This is week 5 of the Illuminate in 3 minutes or less series. Our topic this time is on creating a custom report. Creating a custom report comes in handy when you want to compare data side by side or create something like a comprehensive needs report for students. So let's take, for example, say I'm a 6th grade ELA teacher and want to see how my students did on the M step compared to their fall, winter, and spring maze test compared to the interim assessments that I gave in my class. And I want that all on one report, one piece of paper. I can't do that with any pre-built reports available in Illuminate, so I need to use the function of creating a custom report. There are different ways to do this. The way that I'm going to show you today, though, is by using the Search 2.0 option. Let's begin. So I'm at the dashboard right now in Illuminate, and I'm going to click on Students and Search 2.0. From here, I need to filter down my group of students, so I'm going to say I'm a 6th grade teacher, and I'm going to go to Status and go Enrolled during academic years and choose 16-17 and click Search. You can use these other functions, but for right now, we're just going to use this one. You'll notice all the student names come up, and you're going to click the blue Make This a Report button, and then you are going to name it and hit Create. From here, you're going to go to Manage Columns because, as you can see, it brought in all the students' demographic information, and I don't need to see all of that in my report, nor do I want it in my report. So you can see I can hide columns. So I'm going to hide these columns, and then if you look to the far right, you can notice that you can also delete columns as well. So if you check that box, it will delete it. So now I'm down to one column right now, and I want to bring in my data. So I'm going to go to Add Columns. You pretty much stay in Add Columns and Manage Columns when you're creating a custom report. You can use these filters here, or you can simply type in the name of the test. So for M-STEP, I'm just going to type in the keyword STEP, and assessments should show up here. And then I click on the assessment that I want, and then it's going to show me all the different data points in that particular file. So if I'm looking for a specific thing, just type it in the search bar here and you can find it. So like right here, the overall performance level is what I'm looking for. You can bring in more data points if you would like, and say that you put one in here you don't want, simply hit the red and it will go away. So then I'm going to click Save. And I'm just going to hit Save Changes and View Report again, and I can always just hit View right here too. But you can see that it brought in these 2 data points. So I can bring in as many data points as I would like. Now to make this a little bit prettier and say I want color on this, I go to Manage Columns because again, Add Column and Manage Columns is really where most of the work is done in the custom report. And you'll notice this box right here. If you click this box, you can choose any performance band that you have created. If you need help on creating performance bands, refer to the email. But I'm going to click this, and I'm just going to click Save Changes and View Report. Note that I left both the boxes checked. Save Changes and View Report. So you'll see that it changed it to the colors, but it also added, it has this label now. Let's say that instead of proficient, I want that to say a 3. You're going to go to Manage Columns, and you're going to uncheck this Show Label box and click Save Changes and View Report. And now you'll notice that it's a number instead of the label. Depending on your level of access in Illuminate, custom reports can be built by one person and shared to others, and other people will be able to see their students with that particular report. So if I'm a building principal and want to create it for the entire 6th grade and there are 3 teachers, I can build it and share it out, and the teachers would be able to see it just for their kids. For more information on creating custom reports or how to create performance bands in order to get the colors in the custom reports, refer to the help documents provided in the email or contact me at hhayes@k12eta.org. That concludes this week's topic of Illuminate in 3 minutes or less.